All right. Star 1800 2024 Algebra 1 with Laws by Professor Rafael Galvez Jr. 150 questions. Video number 30. Big College Algebra Final Review 040424. So let's ready? Y'all ready? Need money right now? College, books, tuition, fees, software. Marge is open 24 hours. Great food, great work, great boss. They're hiring right now. They have jobs right now. But you don't need money. So you don't forget about this money. You don't need it. Okay? You don't need it. And remember, the shark say, join me for lunch. So now, log of x plus 5 equals log of 3x plus 2. Okay, if log of A equals log of B, then A equals B. Set that equal to each other right there. X plus 5 equals this. And minus 5, so x equals 3x minus 3. And then minus 3x, so negative 2x equals negative 3. Divide by negative 2, divide by 2, so x equals 3 halves. Does that work? I don't know. Let's do it. Put a 3 halves in there. 3 halves is 1.5 and 5, 6.5. Good. 3 halves is this, 9 halves. Divide that. Divide that. It's going to be 4.5 and 2 is 6.5. So log of 2 6.5, is that log of 6.5? Yes, it is. Okay. So what does that mean? In 1.5 what? 3 halves or 1.5 minutes. In 1.5 minutes, a shark will be next to you in the Texas Sea so they can join you for lunch. How's that? Yes. Same thing. Log base A, log base A. They're the same. So it means that A equals B. So set them equal to each other. Solve it. So minus 2 minus 2. 7x equals this. Minus 7x. What? 0 is not equal to 5. Bad. There's no solution. Empty set. There's whatever you try, nothing is going to work here. Got it? Nothing. All right, go to the next one. Oh, systems of equations. I'm going to try to get rid of one of the letters. I'm going to try to get rid of the y's. So I'm going to do is, see the 1 here, see the 3 here. I'm going to put 1 times everything there, 1 times everything there, and 3 times that, 3 times that. Now, what's going to happen? 1 times this is this. 1 times 85 is this. 3 times this is going to be 30x plus 30y. 3y, 30x plus 3y equals 39. Now I add them straight down, and guess what? The y's are gone. 0. 34x plus 0 equals this. 34x equals this. Divide by 34. 34x equals 1. I know x is 1. Put it back in the original problem up there. 4 times 1 is 4. Minus 3 equals this. Minus 4 minus 4. So minus 3y equals negative 9. Divide by negative 3. Divide by 3. So y equals 3. So x and y has to be, x is 1 and the y has to be a 3. What is this? Like, I don't know. X is the cost of a bean and cheese taco, mile margins maybe. Y is the cost of a bacon and egg taco, mile margins. The one that costs $1 for the bean and cheese and $3 for the bacon and egg taco. How's that? That sound reasonable? I say yes. Oh my God. XYZ, XYZ. Use a graphing calculator. So there's the numbers. XYZ, XYZ. So I'm going to put the second matrix, edit, 3 by 4, enter. Do it in the matrix. Do the matrix function on your machine. Once I do that, I'm going to put these numbers in for the matrix A. All these numbers from right here. Put them in there. Once you have them in there, you enter them correctly. You know they're right. Then you go second matrix math, REF, row reduction echelon form. Enter. It's going to do is row reduction echelon form of A is going to give you this 1 0 0 and the number 0 1 0 and the number 0 0 1. Guess what? This is x plus 0 because that's so x. There's x, there's y, and the last one is z. So there's x, y, z. So x, y, z is going to be what? Negative 1, negative 3, and 4 are the answers. Oh, how do we do this? Let's solve for y first. Graph this. Solve for y. So we're going to go minus x. So 2y is this. Divide by 2. So x is greater than or equal to 3 minus that. Rewrite it. Y is greater than or equal to 1 and 1/2 x plus 3. Put a number in there. Put a 0. 0 times that 0 plus 3. Done. That's the point. Put a 6 in there. 1/2 of 6. 6 over 2 is going to be 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So we have 0 is 3. 6 0. So 0 3 and 6 0. And this graph is what? Greater than. That means this goes here up. Okay. So greater than or equal to negative 1/2 x minus 3. There's plus 3. There's negative 1/2 x plus 3 goes up this way. Okay. Oh my gosh, systems of linear inequalities. That's fine. Solve for x in the first one, or for y. Let's solve for y. Get rid of the x's. So y is less than or equal to negative 2 minus x, or y is less than or equal to negative x minus 2. Second one, let's solve this one for y2. So minus 4x, so y is greater than or equal to negative 8, negative 4x, or rewrite it this way. So we have these two right here. I'm going to use those. On the next one, get some points. And the points I'm going to use, I'm going to put -2 in there. So -2, negative is positive 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Let's put a 0 in there. I'm going to get -2. And then just going to put a negative in there. Negative is 8 minus 8 is 0. And then 0 in there, I'm going to get 0 times that 0 minus 8, -8. So I got points. Put those in the graph. See what they look like. First one is this one. -2, 0. And 0 and -2. There's a line right there. That's this graph right here. And it says less than goes this way. The other one, y is greater than -4x minus 8. -2, 0. Right there. And then 0 and -8 all the way down here. But this one graph goes up. This one goes down. And this one goes up. So all this right here is the solution set. Right there. Okay. Find the sum. Alright, so one way to do it, you can put the number 1. Start 1 in there. 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, 7 times 5. Start working it out. Do the arithmetic parts. And then you're going to get 2 and 9 and 16 and 23 and 30. Add them all together, you get 80. Or use your graphing calculator. Put math, down arrow, summation. This right here, enter. You can have boxes. Fill the boxes with what you need. You need an X and a 1. You need a 5 there. And then here you need a 7x minus 5. Put that in your calculator just like this. And when you hit enter, guess what? It's going to give you the answer. So 80, like square inches of ration your dog or something. How's that? Oh my gosh. Expand. Use the binomial theorem. All right. So there's a formula. So CNR 40 of this. CNR 41 of this. CNR 42. CNR 43. Now, to do this in the calculator, this is how you do it. For math probability NCR, enter 0, 1. For math probability NCR, enter 1, 4. For math probability NCR, enter 2, there. Same thing for the other one and the last one. So now once we have those numbers there, guess what? We have x to the 4 and 3 to the 0, that's a 1. So that's leftover. X to the 3, 3 to the 1 is a 3. 3 to 2 is 9. 3 to 3 is 27. And 3 to the 4 is 81. Multiply all these numbers right here. And you're going to get what? X to the 4, 12x cubed, plus 54x squared, plus 108x, plus 81. Okay, lots of steps. Use your graphing calculator. That's what I'm going to tell you right now. Use that graphing calculator to expand using the binomial theorem. This one. How do you solve this? Let's solve for x. Let's get the radical sign by itself. So we need to go minus 4. So this equals that. Square roots both sides. This is gone. So now we have x minus 4, x minus 4, x squared minus 4, x minus 4, x plus 16. We have this. So bring this over. X squared minus 8, x minus 16, minus 2x minus 7. We have this. Oh, two answers. X minus 1 equals 0, x minus 9 equals 0. That's going to give me two answers. Minus 1 at 1, x is 1 and 9. I got 1 and 9. Check them. Let's try the 1. Put the 1 in there. The original problem, 2 times 1 is 2 and 1 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 4 and 3 is 7. Oh, it's not going to be 1. Bad. Put a 9 in there. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 7 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 and 4 is 9 and 9. Yes, that works. So the only one that works is 9. What? S equals 1/2 GT squared. So, G is 32, T is 1. Let's put them in there. 1 squared means 1 times 1 is 1. 32. 32 over 2 is 16. So S is 16 for these numbers. Part 2. What if G is 32 and T is 4? All right, let's put them in there. 32 and 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times that is 512. 512 over 2 is going to be what? 256. Got it? I say yes. All right. And then, what? That's it? That's 150? Number 50? 150? Yeah. After you do this, yes, go to Mustang, Padre Island, Corpus out there, Galveston. Get your sober out there, have fun. So out you finish the review, 150 questions. You ready for college algebra final? Yes, you are. Or get your Hawaiian stuff on. Be ready to go out there. After you finish, take your final, celebrate. Get your Hawaiian stuff out there. There's a little smart bird, and your surfboard might put busting in 40-foot waves, but that's okay. Take the decals out, put in your new surfboard. Put all your Hawaiian stuff on. You can find the other parts. Anyway. Oh, math monsters? Nah, we're okay. We know how to do college algebras. I say yes. We know how to do some college algebras. This guy's too pretty scary. Whenever you see him anywhere, they are scary. Yeah. It's kitchen roaches, I guess. More kitchen roaches. Oof. They multiply. And then 7, 7 numbers, no scare us. Again, crunchy 1, crunchy 2. Yeah, they're pretty scary. Those are pretty scary guys right there, huh? But anyway, this is Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck in your college algebra. Again, Professor Galvez Jr. saying good luck. Again, Professor Alfredo Galvez Jr. saying good luck in your college algebra final. Hopefully the review helps you. I say yes. Thank you. Goodbye.